Welcome to English Word Haven. Crawl. Crawl. The baby is learning to crawl. The baby is learning to crawl. Help. Help. Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Deposit. Deposit. He deposited money in the bank. He deposited money in the bank. Jump. Jump. He jumped over the fence. He jumped over the fence. Delete. Delete. Please delete that file. Please delete that file. Withdraw. Withdraw. He withdrew money from the ATM. He withdrew money from the ATM. Exercise. Exercise. You should exercise daily. You should exercise daily. Burn. Burn. The fire burned brightly. The fire burned brightly. Boil. Boil. Boil the water for tea. Boil the water for tea. Suck. Suck. She can suck juice through a straw. She can suck juice through a straw. Fill. Fill. Fill the resume with pencil. Fill the resume with pencil. Donate. Donate. They donated food to the poor. They donated food to the poor. In fact. In fact. The wound got infected. The wound got infected. Extinguish. Extinguish. They extinguished the flames quickly. They extinguished the flames quickly. Fly. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Flip. Flip. Flip the coin carefully. Flip the coin carefully. Follow. Follow. Please follow my instructions. Please follow my instructions. Gather. Gather. Let's gather the leaves. Let's gather the leaves. Bend. Bend. Bend your knees slightly. Bend your knees slightly. Announce. Announce. They announced the results yesterday. They announced the results yesterday. Tire. Tire. Long walks tire me out. Long walks tire me out. Grab. Grab. Grab the handle tightly. Grab the handle tightly. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse cared for the patient. The nurse cared for the patient. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.